What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on AVGO, we made $4,500 day trading, ticker symbol AVGO. If you look at this month, it's March 6th. We're a couple of days into the month. We were up $11,500. AVGO being a big winner at $9,300. Google we made $2,200 on, and Nike we lost $70. Year to date, we are up $35,412. Netflix is a big winner at $14,000. AVGO, we made over $10,000. Our total right now is $35,000. Now you might be thinking, how am I making this much money? I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it in this video. So stick around for the 3 minutes. You will learn something. So let's go over AVGO. AVGO had earnings on March 4th. And if you look here, they had a massive sell-off to 308 with a massive buy order coming up to push them all the way up to 336. So what I was doing was I was watching these levels. I was seeing that at $322 was resistance. So when earnings came, it rejected the 322. And then when it finally broke through this, that is my entry to make my first day trade. So it broke 322. It broke through this. I scalped this all the way up, trading gains on this. That was the first thing that I was looking for. Then, okay, now where do you know where to buy next? So what I did was, okay, it pulled back on this earnings day around 5 p.m. on March 4th, all the way to $324. So very simple, pulls back to $324. What do I look to do? I look to rebuy the next retest at $324, which is right here. That's where we had it, where I got the first idea. Wouldn't you know it, we get a pullback right here at $324 on the very next day. So what do? I buy this dip. I bought this dip at $324. We had a little downside to $323, scalped this going back up here to $330 and got those gains as well. And what do again? I bought again at $324. So you had the first retest, $324. Here's your second test of $324 and rode this all the way up to $330 again. Then what did I do again? I bought the 324 dip again right here and rode it all the way up to $340 per share. That's what you have to look for, is previous day supports that do hold up. So when you look at it, it broke that 322 resistance, retested by this dip, retested by this dip, retested by this dip, and that's how I made over $10,000 on AVGO in the last 3 days. If you liked what you saw in this video, then you're gonna like the WHOP. Check out the link here, WHOP.com/trading simplified, where you can directly chat with me. We can go over your trading strategy and answer all your questions below. If you also want to become a member and support the channel, click on membership over here for YouTube. You get highlighted videos that are just members only, just for you. You can see the portfolio that I have that I'm directly buying and selling, and which stocks that I think are going to be great swing trades for 2026. So definitely be sure to join this as well. I look forward to you guys joining, and I will see you next time.